Colorizing a black and white video is not as difficult as you think, and in this video I'll show you how you can do it too. The challenge of colorizing videos is that it needs to be done frame by frame, in other words, one still image at a time. But I'm here to tell you that you can easily do it at home, because us at the UniConverter, we like to simplify things and work in batches, and that's what we're gonna do today. You might already know the Old Photo Colorizer feature in the UniConverter, which is absolutely perfect for this task, and it can colorize 20 images at a time that will significantly increase the speed of the workflow. However, in order for this to work, first of all, we need to turn the video into still images. Alright, this is what we're gonna do today. Turn a black and white video into an image sequence, colorize the image sequence, 20 images at a time, then turn the new colorized image sequence back into a video format. So let's get right to it. Since we're going to use the UniConverter, be sure to have it, or if you first want to see how the video turns out, visit videoconverter.wondershare.com and download the software after the video. Okay, open the converter tool from the main interface. Import your video clip. I'm not using a long clip to make the demonstration simpler, but this works with any length. Obviously, the time it takes to do will be different. Next, go to the format settings, and here select PNG image sequence. Choose same as source for the resolution. Choose an output folder, and then click on Convert All. Your video will be converted into an image sequence within a separate folder. Okay, now that we have the image sequence, let's colorize it. The footage was about 4 seconds long. So now we have nearly 100 images to colorize, which will take roughly 5 rounds. So first, the Old Photo Colorizer is in the Image Enhancer AI. It's featured on the home interface. Now let's open the first batch of images. Then choose the Old Photo Colorizer feature. Before you export them, be sure to choose a separate output folder for the images so you don't mix them up with the black and white ones. When the first batch is done, repeat the process until you're done with all of the images. Alright, now we have the entire image sequence colorized. Let's turn them back into a video. To turn this new image sequence back to a video, alternatively, you can use a regular video editing software, or keep using the UniConverter method, where we first have to convert these into GIFs and then the GIFs into a video. So first, open the GIF Maker tool in the UniConverter. This unfortunately only allows us to import 20 images at a time, but that's alright, we'll work our way around it. So import the first 20 images. They will be in order, so you don't have to worry about that. Then, very important, choose the frame rate to be the original of your clip, 24 in our case. The resolution can stay the same. And then create the GIF and repeat the process until you get to the end of your image sequence. Next, import these GIFs into the converter tool, obviously in the right order. Choose your output format to be MP4, for example. And then make sure that the Merge All box is checked. And then just click on Convert All. Alright, and then here is the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's watch the result. Here is our black and white video clip. And here it is with colors. Absolutely amazing, and it took me about 10 minutes to do this in total. So with this method, you can easily colorize short or even long black and white videos. Alternatively, you can perform other image or video enhancement features, such as upscaling or quality enhancing. But this is all for today. I hope this was interesting, and if so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.